Well, this is the fight I was looking forward to. Karin Seal gonna fight Gabriela Fernandez. Gabriela Fernandez is one of the most powerful chicas in the division. You've seen that she knocked out Kong Wang. She's so strong, and yeah, her cardio might have been an issue in the past. Now she has improved it, and Karin Killer Silva is also another very strong chick. I think these chicks are both having knockout power, but both of them are having a lot of strength too. So I'm not too confident if the two can knock each other out. Or I think it's gonna be a technical fight though, and I'm not expecting much of a tactical war. But both chicas are very strong and both chicas are pretty chinny. So I'm gonna go with over 1.5. If I must pick a side, I'd risk with Fernandez, but hard to call a side here.